In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an opportunity and contact role in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Let's get started by heading over to the Opportunities Related list. This is where you'll be able to create a new opportunity that can help your sales team track and manage potential deals. Once you're there, look for the New button and give it a click. This is your starting point for entering all the important details about your opportunity. Now, you'll need to fill in some basic information. Start with the opportunity name. This is how you'll identify the deal, so make sure it's something clear and descriptive. Next, choose a close date. This is the target date you expect the opportunity to be finalized. It helps in setting timelines and expectations. After that, select the stage of the opportunity. This is crucial as it reflects where the deal is in your sales process, such as prospecting, qualification, or closed won. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations! You've just created a new opportunity. The next thing you'll want to do is open the opportunity record you've just created. This will allow you to add more detailed information and link it to other relevant records in Salesforce. Once you're on the opportunity record page, navigate to the Related tab. Here, you'll find a variety of related lists that help you manage different aspects of the opportunity. What we're interested in right now is the Contact Roles Related list. This section is key for linking contacts to your opportunity and defining their roles, which is essential for understanding who's involved in the deal and what their responsibilities are. Click on Add Contact Roles to start associating contacts with your opportunity. You'll see a list of contacts that you can choose from. Simply check the box next to the contact or contacts you want to link to this opportunity. Once you've selected the necessary contacts, click Next to move to the following step. Now it's time to assign a role to each contact. Roles might include decision maker, influencer, or any other role that fits the contact's involvement in the opportunity. Assigning a role is important for clarity and communication within your team, ensuring everyone knows who is responsible for what. After you've assigned the appropriate roles, make sure to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created an opportunity and contact role in Salesforce. By following these steps, you're setting up your team for success by tracking deals more effectively and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Remember, managing your opportunities and contact roles efficiently can make a significant difference in your sales process. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future Salesforce tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy selling.